Hello YouTube, hello Twitch, and welcome to this new game dev session on my game Plaxel, PlaxelSS. So, currently I'm working on this user story fixed side-scroller world, and more specifically on this task, display two blocks far away from each other. So, the test I'm working on is this one. The goal is to have one block here and one further away, which we don't see yet because it's still in progress. And you have most of the information summed up below on the banner below. Yeah, I guess I can go straight away. Okay, I may show, yeah, I will show what I'm currently doing. So the first step to achieve this, so I'm adding a block at the coordinate 0, 0, 0, and then I'm adding another block 16 let's say 16 nodes away, which means it will be quite far away. Maybe for the purpose of, yeah, for the initial test, I will be doing one node away. It will be easier to show, at least. To achieve that, the first step that I'm working, well, that I was working on, if everything is working properly, is about adding a block into a new structure, well, yeah, quite new, which is composed of nodes and leaves. Which looks like this. Yeah. And you will see, if you're wondering what it represents, you will see, because I'm currently gonna work on a function to extract this into a beautiful tree structure. We will see that. So let's go there. What I want is a function renderer get voxel tree. It's a void for now, but I will return a voxel tree. Let's generate the definition. So, in order to do this, it will be a bit similar to above. So what I will do is it's strange here. Oh no, it's the same. I was wondering if the space was the same in between the two files. So to get the voxel tree, I have to work on the combination of two buffers. So the first one is, let's say, voxel tree nodes buffer. Get data, and the data is of the type voxel tree which does not exist. So it's a new structure that I will be creating. Create it here because the same as the triangle here is used only in the test, so it will be the same here. A voxel tree. It's, I don't know why I made a copy of this. I need to make a copy of the two structure here. So it will be simpler than that. And you int and sign in. I don't know what is better. Old compatibility names. Does it mean that it's better to use unsigned like this? Child on. Let's see. So I want to change this, but first I will change the other structure. Okay, I don't have to do the same here. Okay, I just need to remove this. Cell tree leaf directly. 8. I can keep that. That's okay. Ah yes, I know what I need to do. We can't do this? Because it is a struct, I guess. If I make it a class, is it better? But I do like having a struct. I don't know how to make this here nullable. C++ struct optional field. I guess I have to use the optional mixin. What is a mixin? Yeah, maybe a better way, but I'm not sure about that. Guess, yeah, I can do this. Yeah, I don't know why we have to initialize. And I'm not sure about this because some of the array may not be maybe null or something like this, and I don't know how to express this apart from having an optional attribute. Okay, let's continue with this. This will be a vector because I don't know the size of this vector. Okay. It will probably be okay. I just need to test that. So, okay. First, I'm not getting that. I will get a voxel tree nodes. Completion settings. Oh, that's good. Because I prefer camel case, so I have to see where I can change this. I don't see an option for what I want here. So let's have a look at JetBrains Clion camel case. It's a plugin, really? Yeah. Should be this naming convention. Strange. Clion, okay. C++, code style. Okay, no, so C++, code style. Naming. Yeah. Clang format. Maybe with Clang format, camel case. There is not. Okay, so for this, it cannot be changed. Is there a way to specify camel case for everything? TD kind. In this case, I have a local variable. And I want a lower camel case. Okay, I will try again. Ah, yes. That's better. Then, with this, I will construct my voxel tree. So, I will do something that I like. Which means that I need to change. I guess, yeah, I need to change this to a class, maybe. I'm not sure about this. Not this one. Voxel tree. Tree. Or let's name it voxel tree. And I want to have a constructor which takes this as a parameter. Why? I don't know why it's a vector. Why do I get a vector? Here we have vector indeed. I see. So it means that I have to do a different method to get data for something which is not a vector. Okay. I want to check if I can improve this in some way. Index buffer. Let's see when I create this buffer. No. Not here, here. Okay, I see. That's why. I will try something. Let's see if I do something like this. Yes, so max index count. Okay. Max vertex count. Which means that I can change the signature of this to something which is not a vector. Something like this. I will see. Substitution failed? Why? So I don't know why it's failing. You can see the size. We'll try to compile. Maybe by compiling I will have better error. Okay. Let's change this to a vector for now. No matching function to this. So why? Because of type name? Let's see if I can find a solution to this. Because normally I can do something like this is possible because why? I don't know. It's also type name here. I don't know the reason for this problem here. Normally, what I'm doing is okay. Maybe, okay. Maybe this is the problem. Something like this. I'm not sure. I will comment this. I will see. Does not seem to be working for some reason. Non-type. Can I do this maybe? Or this? No. Okay, I will abort the way I wanted to do this. I will revert what I did, and then so same here. I will revert, which means that I want a new function which will do the same for a different structure. Can I have the same function here? It will be weird, but let's see. Maybe it's smart enough to make it work. It's ambiguous, so let's rename this to get vector data. Yeah, I have to change this also. Cut style. No. Cut style here. C++ naming for methods. Well, it will be the same. Classes and structs, I want upper camelcade. For class and struct methods, I want lower camelcades. Okay. I will keep it like this for now, and I will change it later. So I want get vector or get data as vector. Get vector data. I guess it's fine. And then the other one will be get data. So I can go back there. Here. So it seems to be okay for now. What I will do is a small debug to make sure that it's working. Cell-tree. Why? Vector? Wait. Okay, I don't understand this. Why is it a vector? Oh, my bad. I don't want a vector, I want data, like this. Okay. The last index here is really weird, so it's probably a problem of alignment. Oh, this seems okay. Yeah, the rest seems okay. Why? So I don't know why the last index is that big. I will have to... Well, for now I don't have to debug this. Or maybe I do. I will see. If I want to debug, I have a nice way to do it. I can use a render doc, and then I can execute directly my tests with a filter. I can do launch. Then I can go to one of the dispatch commands, so maybe this one, which is... I want to see something. So this one tells the compute shader to add a new block at the coordinate 800. Oh, that's good. And this one, it's the same, but at the coordinate 000. So maybe... Okay, let's debug this one. So if I want to debug, I go there, then I click on debug. And here I can do... So here it will get me the last node index in the variable, in this variable. Which is 1. So that's good. So apparently, if I look at my code, so for some reason, no, okay, yeah, it will call my method addBlock with all the parameters. So let's continue. And this is my method addBlock. So it will first check the current root coverage. And to do this, so it goes into a function to know if the root is covered or not. And it will say no, the root node does not cover the new block that I have. And it will create a parent node. To create the parent node, it will first create a new node. So I don't want to step into that, but I don't know how to do this. Because even if I over, normally I have to do a step over, but even if I do a step over, it goes into. Okay. last node index. So normally, yes, it's increased to 2. Yeah. So let's go to the other dispatch. No, my bad. It was already the one I wanted. So here what does it do here? Create node. Let's see the function create node. Okay, for each children, we set the children to -1. There is also something that I can do, which is nice. Oh, there is an auto-generated. So the problem that I have comes from voxel 3 node. So let's have a look at voxel 3 node memory. Okay, before I did not have this auto-generated format, and now I have it, so that's good. So apparently, yes, I know where the problem comes from. Maybe. So maybe it's only a problem of. Okay. I will try something. I don't know if it will work, but I will remove the alignment constraint. It's better. Which means that I can probably remove the alignment constraint from all of them. Check that. It seems somewhat okay. Well, it seems totally okay. The only problem that I have... Oh no, I don't have any problem. Oh no, it's perfect. So it was an alignment issue. So let's continue. I have a voxel 3. Yes, and what I want is to have a constructor for voxel 3 node like this. So let's add my constructor. Oh, I have to fix to fix a new code style naming convention. So parameters will be lower camel case. Let's try again. It's better. And then what I need to do is to generate the definition. I don't know about that. I don't know if I should generate an inline definition or not. Let's go with inline for now. So what I need to do is some kind of for loop with voxel tree nodes dot last index, and then I need to do is in place with okay, something like this. And then I need to create the constructor normally. And place back. No. So leaves are this. So let's do voxel tree leaf of this, which means I can do create constructor. Oh, this. An inline definition. Where is? Oh, my bad. I don't want the constructor here. It's a bit of a problem. Ah, no, I see. No, I want a constructor for voxel tree node. Here. So it's a bit misleading to have voxel tree node here and here. What can I do? Nothing for now. Type hierarchy, what does it mean? I don't know. Normally I can do this, but I don't know why it's not working. Place? No. Parameter to parameter type. Let's see. Leaves is a vector of voxel tree leaf. Ah, that's the problem. I want a I want this actually. Am I wrong? Ah, okay. Now it seems to be working. So good. No, let's see. I want to do 8 equals node. Then I let's say no, not no. Node dot x then same for y. And then if node dot leaf is not -1. So I don't know if this will work. Normally, yes, because yeah, it should work. I'm wondering if -1 is working the same way as in the GLSL program. Yeah, for this one, I would also prefer to have this argument as optional. So I don't know if I want to... I guess I want to do this. It just seems a bit weird for me to do this. Place node leaf. And the voxel tree leaf is is it the same? Ah no. Ah yes, for this I need something else. So let's keep it like this for now. Yeah, I can work on the children. Let's see. If node children is not -1. Okay, I will try to change this to an array, which means I just need to check if everything is working again. So let's see on Twitch first. I need to start VirtualBox again. Okay, so on Twitch, how does it look? Yes, it looks good. And I need to check also on YouTube, and it's okay. Then let's start the VM again. Okay, the VM is starting up. I will show the image No. No, I messed up. Yeah. To change some settings. So I don't know why it crashed, so I will have to investigate. If it happens a second time, I will spend some time investigating instead of working on the task. Oh, it's not the correct banner below. So. Because I'm also working on another project. I need to start this and no, yeah, no, it's the correct banner. Restore, why not? Okay. I will have Spotify for me again. Okay. I need to run my VPN. It's mostly to avoid some IP leak. I have to restart the network manager. For some reason. So need to enable the clipboard. Okay, the VPN is on. Okay, I'm ready to start again. And yeah, if there is a next crash, I will have to investigate. Because it happened quite often recently. So the leaves. Did I lose some of the stuff I was working on? I guess yes. Yes, I did. Yeah. Because it was not saved to the disk. That's okay. It was not much. So let's change back what I had. So Cell tree node. It's a bit annoying to have to do this again. Eight equals node dot 8. Maybe I can just check something. Local history, show history. Because maybe I could be surprised, but no. Okay. I don't have anything saved on disk. So let's continue. Node.8 y equal Okay, I'm not thinking about what I'm doing, but it's okay. I will manage. Children. For the children, I was trying to change this, and that's when I got a crash. And what I want to do is something like this, which I find weird, but maybe it's because maybe it's the way I don't know. There is the possibility to have 4 fields instead of an array, which may be better, but yeah, I will keep it like this for now. I need a condition. It's if node children I is not equals to -1, then I will set the value to something, which is something that I don't have. I need to provide all. Yeah, I need to have the all the nodes. Let's see, I have 2 possibilities. I prefer. Yeah, I can keep it. Yeah, let's do it like this. So normally it means that I can do this. Nodes. No. Like this? I don't know. I don't know how. Oh yes, it seems okay. Maybe there is a better way, but to replace it like this. So the node will be node of node children I. Oh no, it's not. I forgot. It's not mplace back because I'm calling the mplace method of optional here. So it's not about a vector. Okay. Range-based for loop. What is this? Oh, okay. Yes, that's good. Okay, why not? So I have this, and now I need to provide the leaf. And for the leaf, I have to provide another structure, which is voxel tree leaves buffer get data voxel tree leaves, and let's see. Yeah, so it's the correct one. Let's name it voxel tree leaves. And then I want to add a new parameter. Const voxel tree leaves. Voxel tree leaves. Okay. I don't like repeating myself. Here I will say it's nodes. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's keep it at voxel tree leaves, but I find this annoying. It's a bit too verbose. Maybe, yeah, I could name this something like GPU node. And same for this, it will be GPU leaves. Something like this. I will also change. Oh no, I don't. I already have short name, but we'll name it GPU nodes anyway. Okay. Okay. And now I can do if node dot leaf is not -1, leaf equals GPU leaves of node dot leaf. And that's it. Okay, my bad. We'll make it a bit simpler. Like this, so okay. So I need to change the constructor. Voxel tree leaf. How was it? It was max leaves. Yeah. So I will copy this and I will do the same here. Okay. So now I will debug and I will see if the conversion from the GPU structure to a nice structure is correct. And apparently I have some problem. So it seems that I cannot instantiate the array. So I will do a test. I want to see if the problems can be solved with a vector. Oh no, I want it to debug. Hopefully it will not compile. Okay, it's compiling, so I want it to debug. Okay, I got the segmentation fault then when I do this. Yes, so why? I don't know why. Ah, yes, I probably know. No. Yes, no. Ah, yes, I know. Sure. Yeah. What I have to do is something like insert. Cell tree node. So something like this. Almost. Okay. I probably know how to do it, but I need to be sure. C++ vector insert at index. Yeah, because I'm using a VPN, I have to do this kind of gotcha. Okay. Yeah, what I was thinking of doing was something like at so I have to do this apparently. Begin plus A. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I changed my mind. I will do the same as before. The only difference is that I will initialize with a size of 4. But I guess I will have the same problem as with the array, so I don't know. Segmentation fault again. And the problems probably comes from the same, probably the same problem again. Is it a problem with the access to node here? Node children. Let's see. So I don't know why I did that. What I need to do is node children. And to avoid error, I will use a variable. Okay. Is it correct? Yes. I guess it's correct. I will have to see why. Well, I will have to fix the problem. All the problem, the warnings that I had. I still have a problem, but this time it seems to be different. So last index. What is the value of last index? 3. Construct out. No, so the problem comes from there. Okay. Node y. Why is it so? Ah, my bad. Okay, I just understood what is the problem. Let's go back to this for loop here. Yeah. I don't see. I'm not a big fan of doing this. So I will keep it like this. Yeah. I was mistaken when I was doing this for loop. So this time it will be better normally. Let's have a look at the tree that I have constructed. There is 3 nodes. No. Yeah. Okay. There is a problem. There is a problem. I actually don't need. No. I don't need this this structure here because what I really need Okay, I have to think about it. Yeah. The root is a voxel tree node, so I just have to start from the root. So the voxel tree is a voxel tree node. And I just have to specify which one is the first node. So the first node is voxel tree node dot node of see, there is a root index and the last index. I will change this also. I will do dot node like this, which will be better. Voxel tree node of root index. I will have this in two variables. It will be either to read, and I will name it root voxel tree node. Okay, and I need to change. Oh, yeah, okay. It was already the case, maybe. Yeah. So this way I will know what is the root. Okay. The root is a node with 8 of 1, and there is two children. I have to find a way to make this more readable. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this. There is one child at the coordinate 0, 0, and the other child is at the coordinate 1, 0. Then the leaf. Let's have a look at the leaf. Here there is a leaf. Why? I don't know why. No. Oh yeah, I know why. I have to make this optional also. Did I do? So this will become optional. This way, yeah, this way it will be better. Yeah, like this. I'm running again this way. I will see that the root does not have a leaf. And then if I'm looking at this one, there is a leaf with, well, there should be a block at the coordinate 0, 0, 0, but I don't see it, so I'm a bit surprised. And let's have a look at the other one. No, I don't see anything. Yeah, I will change this to some kind of map so that we can easily see which coordinates are set up. But first, maybe I have a bug. So let's have a look at this voxel tree leaves. Okay, it seems to be the same here. So maybe there is an alignment issue. It's a possibility. I will remove the alignment and maybe it will fix my problem. Have a look at this. Yeah, it seems to be better. Yeah. Okay, now I will change my structure to something a bit more readable. So let's go back to here. Yeah. Okay, so instead of this, I will change this to a map. So I'm not familiar with the map structure in C++, so map. Okay. We'll try to use it in the way that seems we'll see. I will try to set it up like this, coordinate and a boolean. Maybe a set, yeah, a set will be better actually for what I'm doing here. I just need to have the set of coordinates. I will try it like this. Oh. Will be max max block or something like this. I don't remember the. Okay, I will. Max blocks. Max blocks will be. Not really. It's not really max. It's more like number of blocks, because there will be exactly that many blocks per node. So. Yeah. So I can go back to here. No, I know it will be number of blocks. And what I can do is, if there is a block, then I can do forgot. I need so like this. If there is a block at this index, then I will do where is this blocks. So blocks set. Is it set? What is the on place? Add. Insert. Seems to be on place apparently. No. Yeah, I don't know. C++ set. So how do we add an element to this? Modifiers insert. So it seems to be insert. Construct and insert, but my bad. I don't know why I wanted to insert at a specific coordinate, but no. That's not what I want. So let's have my string, which is the block. There is a way that I do like to, yeah, I like to do it this way because I cannot do it like this. Apparently, I have to first create the string and then I can do it the way I want. Oh no, even no, okay, but it's okay. So I need to extract the coordinates. So in order to extract all my coordinates, I will do modulo two, no, modulo this will give me x. For y, I need to do this. Is it correct? I guess it's correct, but I don't know why I have some doubts about this. Normally it should be something like this, but I'm already not sure about this. X, Y, Z. Okay. Okay, I guess I need to do a string. No, I need to do a string to int. No, no, it's a int into string. So how do I do this? Okay, like this. So I will see if I got what I want. So here you can see we have no blocks for the first one, and then yes, okay. So we can see here that my conversion is not correct. I need to do a toString also here and here. So let's see if it's better now. Yes, it's better. And if I go there, yeah, it's better. So from what I see, what I'm doing is correct, which means I can improve my code so that I can see the blocks, the other one, because for now I don't see it. Yeah, which is normal because it's something that is not implemented for now. I'm wondering how I should be doing this test. Because currently I'm trying to get the triangles. Yeah, I will keep it like this. Because what I could do is change my test so that I can do something like renderer.get voxel tree, and then I can check that the voxel tree is correct. Yeah, it's correctly constructed. The problem with that is that my test will be green right now, whereas I cannot. It's still not correct. So for this test, I will keep it the same as the one before. So here, what I need to do, I need to iterate over all leaves. Yeah, that's what I will do. That's the dumb solution. Let's have a variable which will be leaf index. Later on, what I will do is I will have more multiple let's call them thread. So with a one work, how do they call it? Let's say one worker. One worker will only handle one leaf and not all of them. So the maximum of leaf is last leaf index and leaf index plus plus. I will try to enable the plugin again because I had to disable it before. Yeah, and this way I can have automatic indentation and other things. Okay, so draw cube, get block. Okay, I need to have some kind of variable which will be something like joint current leaf index. Which means that I will change this to this. Okay. 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 So get block will be using the current leaf index. And now the problem that I have and that oh no, it's okay. It's easier to correct that that I was fearing. So what I can do is something like x plus equals w, which is the size of a node, multiplied by leaves current leaf index dot it's about the node, so I need also my bad. That's problematic. From a leaf, I don't know which node the leaf comes from. So this is problematic. Well, it's not hard to solve, but I want to solve it in a way that I don't feel like I'm doing it in a more complex and necessary way. So I will have a look at how I was doing it before. So I already worked on this project in a different way. And for example, I was not using Vulkan. I was not doing it in C++. So yeah, I just want to see because yeah, I know I did quite a lot of optimization. I had the current node index, but what I want to see is how node index. It was quite complex, so I need to take just two minutes just to have a look. I cannot show you the code because it was private. Need to find the method I had. It was there. Index. Yeah, it was quite complex. But it will be easy actually in my case. What I need to do, yeah. So I need another which is current node index. Then I will iterate on this one instead. And then I will do if nodes current dot like this. Then current leaf index, no, here, equals no, this. Okay, like this. So now I have access to nodes dot current node index. Sorry, I'm just trying to. I'm looking at the chat again. Let me see something. So I will have access to this. This. And for the Z coordinate, this. And normally, if I did not make a mistake, and apparently I did, oh no, my bad. For the Z coordinate, there is no modification because I will be doing a side scroller. Yes, it's working. We can see I have the other block which is displayed here. Before I finish with my test here, I will go to the test. Where is my test? Here. And I will change back to before it was 16, but why 16? I don't know. Why not? First, let's have a look at the node construction. Okay, there is no error at least. So the root node has an 8 of 5. And we can see there is 2 children. So for the first one, it will always be the first children until we get to 1. Normally, that's how it's supposed to be. And then we have the coordinate for the blocks. And for the other one, it depends. I have to have a look. This is weird. Yeah, this is weird. Normally, I'm supposed to I'm not supposed to have blocks on this kind of node. I can only have blocks for nodes with an 8 of 0. So there is a bug on the node construction, but not on the not on what I'm displaying. So yeah, I will try to fix this. So if I want to fix this, I have to check my shader add block. And I have to see where I made a mistake. I will try to debug because I do like the way I can do it. So let's open render doc. And I will open I will open the executable for the test. Oh, not this. What is build? Okay, I was trying to check to find this build directory. What I need to do is this. I have to add a command line argument, which will be something like this, with this argument. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to capture the frame. Okay, so I have here, I guess, I have the second add block command. No, so it was here. Here I can see, yeah, the coordinate is 128. So I can debug this compute shader. I am interested in is what? I want to debug here this next index function. Yeah. So here it's checking the 8 greater than 0 condition. Next index. Okay, let's have a breakpoint here. Okay, the first next index is 6. Okay, 7, 8. Let's have a breakpoint also here. 10. So apparently we go up to the index 10. And let's see if, where is it? I want to check the height, which the parameter is it's a bit weird because, oh no, I see why. Okay, I can see the value apparently. Yeah. You can see the variable of 8. I don't know why it's a special register. Maybe because yeah, it's a name. There is a name to this. Okay. Oh, and I can see. Oh, it's better to read it like this. We have the index, next index. Okay. So apparently it seems to be okay. X, yeah, I have this to 0, 0, 0, which is okay also, because each time I'm modifying X, Y, and not Z. Z is... I do have Z also? Ah, yes, yeah, okay. So let's see here. Create leaf. Okay, that's strange. Maybe the problem comes from the way I'm... Okay, maybe there is no problem in the compute shader. And I can actually check this with... where is it? Here. Leaves. Voxel 3. Well, first nodes. So I have 10 nodes normally. No? Ah, it's before. Okay, I guess it's before, so I need to check later. No? Let's see here. leaves here. Not leaves, nodes. Mm. Okay, I'm surprised because that's strange. So this is what I got from the application. So it seems there was indeed a problem, but when I'm debugging, okay, let's see something else. There is a problem because last node index is 7, but when I did the debugging, I'm supposed to go to go further than this. Maybe okay, I think that no, create node. No, I'm supposed to be increasing the last node index each time, so okay. There is something strange. We'll see, because I want to do a small break. Wondering if do I do a break or do I stop the stream now? Let's do a break. I will continue. I will continue after the break. So see you. Let's see. See first when will the break finish. So I have to start a timer. Oh, okay. I forgot that I rebooted my PC, so I have to restart my program for the timer. So I will be back at 15 maximum, but I will probably be back before that. So see you soon. debug. Drinking my coffee, but feel free to ask questions if you have. It will be better for me to speak than to use the mouse or the keyboard. Let's see what my next task will be. Yeah. I would like to add a small title above, and this could be the frame per second. It could be something. Well, the other thing it could be will be a title to know what I'm displaying here, because above is the version of the current look of the application, and below is the test I'm working on, and if I can have a title directly inside the window, it would be great. I'm just checking. Display current version somewhere. Yeah. So I'm not sure why I want to display the current version. Currently, we can see it on the banner. Before I did not have this banner, so but then if someone is testing the application, it's good to have the version number accessible somewhere. It will be easy to add the current version in the debug info text display. Yeah. This one will be quite relatively fast, because if I'm not taking care of the performance, it will be okay. For the last task, I don't think it will be important for the fixed size side-scroller world. Or maybe, yeah. Let's add another task. Test with a quite big world. I have to see if I have some issues that I really need to tackle. And most of the issue I could get from from the last task will be handled by this one, by not drawing blocks that are not visible. I guess I need to start implementing debug logging. And I already did the other task. There's an issue that I have to deal with also. Because since I'm doing a side-scroller world, I'm not taking care of the Z coordinate. But maybe I have to do it. Do it anyway. Because of this kind of array. This kind of array have an upper limit to this number, and it's not only because of this, but yeah, I will have to split the space also in the Z along the Z coordinate. I'm not sure how I will achieve that for now. I will add a task for this. More about how much this should we handle, make it dynamic. The best will be to have a dynamic depth. But the question is, if I make it dynamic, the question is how much must be optimized. Maybe, and yeah, no. For me, the best answer to this is, oh, okay, that's good. The best answer to this is to not take care of it until it becomes a problem. Because maybe otherwise I will be fighting with a non-issue. So yeah, I prefer the simplest solution for now. Okay, I'm ready to continue. So yeah, debug logging. Yeah, I wanted to avoid this because it's a bit annoying. I have to add a new buffer for the debug. Yeah, let's do it. For the debug, I already have a nice way to handle this. So the debug will be done with this kind of array. I don't know. And I will define a macro, which is this one. I need the thread index. Checking if I already have no. Okay, let's avoid. I'm not using multiple thread for now, so I will keep it simple. Doing this kind of atomic things is necessary only if I have multiple threads, but it's okay to keep it normally. Let's see if it's still compiling. Apparently. Which may be strange because I have a binding which is not used anywhere. So normally I'm no. I'm supposed to have an error, but I don't. Okay, so I need this new structure. I don't want to commit yet because I still have some kind of bug that I need to fix. So debug buffer. Let's say debug values buffer. This way it will be better to create a struct which will be named debug values and will be debug index with, so I need a new struct. What happened? A new struct which will be debug value. Here I will have a debug value array. Index. It's more like last index, and here it will be values with a maximum of max debug values the max debug values will be 1000. Okay, this is not working like this. Okay, I don't remember if there is a way like in Java to split the number. And debug value, there is int 32 int 32 value. I forgot the semicolon. Now I need to do the same as here. Debug values buffer. The destination binding is a special value of 19, which I know will never be used. Because at some point I want to make it somehow optional in every compute shader. I will do the same for this one, but later. For now, I only need it for the add block. Then debug values buffer, size of no, not size of, I want with initial data because I want to be sure that I want to be sure that I have the first value, the last index set to 0. Okay. Then the next step is to display the debug values, and for this I had a nice function, but it was in Java, so I will have to adapt it to C++. Well, this one probably, thread debug data. I'm searching where, in my file, in my private file. Okay, I saw it. Okay, so let's go to there. Well, actually I want to go there, and I want to do render and get debug values, something like this. And then I need to do debug values buffer, get data, debug values. Debug values, okay. For now, I don't really need to do anything else. So because if it was multi-threaded, I had a way to show the values thread by thread, and then depending on the key, there is a nice way of showing values for the same key. in a row. But I don't need to do this. No. So I need to go to this add block here. And what I will do is debug for wait child node. Okay. I will do it differently, but I will debug this. What this means is this is arbitrary, an arbitrary key to say, just to say this is at the line 153, just to know this is this one. So first, I want to see if my debug logging is working. Apparently not, because there was an issue. Yes, I know what is the problem, so I need to go. Is it? Yeah, I need to add a new block compute buffers. This is probably something that I need to do. I cannot. Can I do this? Okay, there is still a problem. I guess I can. I wanted to dynamically set the value to the correct value depending on what I'm doing, but it's not easy to do. So, what is the problem? Is larger. Oh, I cannot specify. Okay. With OpenGL, it's different. I did not have this kind of problem. Okay. It's okay. We'll manage that. Binding will be 3. I do find it nice to be able to see the preview automatically. I was supposed to have a debug somewhere, no? Maybe not. Ah no, I forgot. Okay, it's really interesting. We can see exactly what I we can see the problem. We are stopping at 6, but we don't know why. Okay, the change that I want to do. I want to display the debug values every time that I... Do I want to do that? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe not. Yes, I will do it. I will display the debug value every time I run the add block compute shader. Add block. This is my function add block. Okay, I will try. Add block buffer get data debug values. And this time I want a method which will be print debug values. If I take my previous code as an example, let's see. Debug data for I don't know how to describe this, so we'll go straight away with the debug data. Debug data. I don't know how to. I don't know how to name this variable. Okay, let's try to do something like this. Let's do debug data plus equals. Maybe I can do it like this actually. So this way I don't have to. I don't need this, and then I will do this key have to do the conversion to string with toString like this. So I want to see just doing. I was doing it like this before, so debug value, value dot value. So I will run again the test and I will be able to see the debug value for the 2 instances where I'm running this adblock function. Okay, this time it's strange. Ah, I forgot something. I forgot to... What did I forget? Hmm. I don't know why. There is at least one thing that I forgot. It was to reset the value of last index to 0. It's something that I can do from the main method. With variable. Oh no, not. It's not this compute shader. It's this one where here. I can do this to reset the debug index. But even then, it will not solve my problem here, which was quite strange. Move to bottom left. Okay, I may have an idea. Okay, what I can try is to do this. Keep this together. It's probably an issue with the alignment. No? Maybe... Okay, maybe what I'm doing is that I'm not doing the... Yeah. Okay. I was not using the correct buffer. Ah, yes. No, okay, it's normal. The first instance is not creating any node. That's okay. Okay, so I will try to debug a bit more. Let's do debug one index. Debug. There was something that I liked to do. If I want to group two values together, yeah, I can do it. I can do it in a nice way. The thing is, if I want to group it, for example, index and 8, and then I want to show them by a pair, then I have to do something like debug 0, 0, I don't know, no, or -1. I don't remember the way I was doing, I will check. Yeah, -1. I can still do it without the proper way that I want to look at. 6 and 4, so okay. That's coherent. Let's improve. No, not yet. There is still something that I want to see. I want to see the I don't have to see the parent node. Okay, there is something which is strange because here I'm breaking outside of the loop, even though the 8 is still 4 and the index is not -1, so there is a problem somewhere. What could be the problem? I don't know. It's really strange. This kind of problem where you don't know why you're breaking a loop or some. It's the kind of problem that I encountered a lot with OpenGL, where you spend a lot of time just debugging a small, just a small issue. Because, yeah, the graphic card is using is not really smart in some way. It has to be performant, and because it has to be performant, there is a lot of things it will not manage in the same way that you expect. And memory management is one of the things that are quite different. Let's see if I can remember the problem. The strange thing is when I was debugging my shader, it was behaving like it should. So if debugging with a rendered doc is giving me what I expect, then it means that the solution is quite specific. What I will do is that I will try to solve this problem for next time. Yeah, because it's quite a hard problem. I will be easier to tackle this problem at my own speed. It's not the correct word. But yeah, I prefer to stop now, and next time I will try to come up with a good solution to the problem. Maybe what I can do is transform this to a while true and then maybe I can break the loop in the way I want. I don't know. Let's see something. If I do this, I'm just changing the condition to the same. No, I encountered this exact kind of problem in some months ago. So a good way to solve this problem is just to take a break, because maybe I will find the solution later on by remembering what I did before. Yeah. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and the The next game dev session will be next week, but on Thursday I will do a web dev session. Yeah. So thank you for watching and goodbye.